AI in real estate marketing.
To audio to video and lot more.
AI can't replace the human touch.
Solution for your
Audience.
audience.
Hi guys, we are back with another special guest on our podcast, and today we have Mr. Badal Gupta, the head of marketing in Hubanduk. So hi Badal.
Hi Garima.
So how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good. So Badal, today we are going to discuss the role of artificial intelligence in real estate marketing. And speaking of which, you know that AI is currently booming. So can you please tell our viewers how can we use AI in real estate marketing, and also can you please give us the example of tools or applications which we can use for that?
Absolutely. There is no doubt AI has transformed the real estate industry as well.
Yes.
With the help of AI, you can do almost every kind of work in the marketing,
Absolutely.
from image creation to text to audio to video and lot more.
Yeah.
You can do.
Yeah.
Yeah. For example, to generate text, you can use copy.ai. ChatGPT is there, of course. For image creation, you can use Midjourney, deep.ai, and a lot more. And for the video creation, there are video.ai, Synthesia. And for audio mixing and other AI tools, you can use 11 Labs, Adobe Podcast, etc. So these are the tools. They are quite helpful if you use them in a right way in your marketing. It will help you a lot. And also chatbots are there, which can help you to interact with the customers.
Speaking of the chatbots, as you just mentioned, so do you think that chatbots are better than the traditional methods for lead management and client interactions?
Right now, AI can't provide the human touch where it lacks, because every specific clients wants a personalized solution specific to their needs, right? Yeah, which AI can't fully provide at the moment. For lead management, AI can help you by filtering out the best potential buyer for your project or services you're offering. Yeah, and also it helps you by analyzing the data and the user behavior on your website, how they are behaving or they are interacting your website with the website. So it helps you there. It saves a lot of time while it's working in the backend for you. The agent can focus more on the client relationship and working on the new strategies.
Right.
Yeah, these are the good benefits with the help of AI.
As you just mentioned that AI can't replace the human touch. So how does it even beneficial for real estate marketing? Because it is all about connecting with the target audience, connecting with the right audience.
Right.
So how does it even beneficial for us?
Very good question, Garima. See, audience is very important for the marketing.
Right.
By leveraging AI in a proper way, you can do a lot with your audience. Like,
Right.
for example, you can do a segmentation project wise. It will help you to showcase the right project to the right audience. Also, it minimizes the use of repeated tasks you are handling in a day-to-day life. So AI can be beneficial in a lot of ways. So let's now understand how AI works. So it's go to the web and do the analysis of how the user is behaving, interacting on the website, and it identify the common attributes among the users. It can then define audience segmentation, and accordingly it will create a customized solution for your audience. So this is how you can use the AI to benefit you in the marketing.
So Badal, you just mentioned so many benefits of AI, but as you know, every coin has two sides. So can you please tell our viewers what are the drawbacks of artificial intelligence in real estate marketing?
As we spoke earlier, AI can't provide the human touch. While it can analyze the data and provide you right information for the marketing purposes, in my view, first drawback is the lack of human emotions, which AI cannot provide. And another drawback is data and quality. If you are providing outdated data to the AI, it can't provide you the best results for your marketing purposes.
Obviously.
So these are the few disadvantages of AI, which may lead to a bad marketing or misleading strategy for you.
Okay. So Badal, any particular advice or suggestion you would like to give to the beginners who are just starting out in the real estate marketing?
Absolutely. For beginners, I would suggest to learn about the AI, how it works, what are the pros and cons, how you can leverage it in your digital marketing. One should be open to adapt new technologies and do experimentation on the new ideas. It will not just help you to learn more, but it will help you to grow more in your career. So I would say use AI wisely, smartly, and that will work for you.
That's good. So thank you so much, Badal. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you very much.
So that's all for today. You can check out our YouTube channel for more such interesting podcasts.